Another day, another snowstorm, right? This is so getting ridiculous. At least it's not that bad today. Just a little bit of snow. Good morning, guys. It is, I think it's Wednesday. My days are a little bit off. How you guys doing this morning? It's only 6 o'clock in the morning. Aren't you guys up already? Like rise and shine, right? I know. I know. I'm an idiot. It's f***ing cold out here. Sorry, I cussed. I try to keep that down in the vlogs. Just wanted to show you my morning. Just practically like every other morning this February. Wake up, shovel snow. Wake up, shovel some more snow. Good morning, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. One thing I didn't think about is this is probably gonna be the last couple days of me getting up this early to actually drive. I'll probably get up early to help get the car ready and stuff, but my new car, I wouldn't have to drive her to work. I guess kids can sleep in. I can sleep in a little bit. That should be pretty good. Good times. Hey guys, my weekly afternoon rant, I guess, is about to happen. Waiting for my oldest to get out of school again. Youngest is sitting here being annoying. But I just gotta think, it snowed last night. Cars got covered. It's about 1 or 2 inches of snow. And this morning, well, you saw me trying to take all the snow off our car. And well, my issue is with other people who think it's cool or it was just lazy and do not take their snow off their car. They just do their windows and boom, let's just go. So you have a car with snow-packed hoods and tops of their cars and their trunks just covered with snow. And then you drive behind them and get pelted with their snow, and it just looks like a big blizzard driving down the road. You know, it bugs the hell out of me as one passes me by right now. Yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can see them, but come on. You're gonna take the time to scrape your windows, warm up your car, just brush the damn snow off the top of your car. If you have an SUV and you're a short person, maybe you shouldn't be driving an SUV. Or, you know, they make longer brooms. I carry a broom out, and I could easily touch the other side of my car with just the scraper I have. I don't know, it's just me. It bugs the hell out of me, especially in the morning or when it's late at night and it's dark and it's just a big cloud of snow. And you're trying to drive behind them and you're having to run your windshield wipers because you're getting rained on and clumps of snow are just falling on your car. You know, be considerate. It doesn't make sense. And that's been your daily rant, I guess. But it's just uncalled for. You know, you gotta take the time, just do it. But anyway, guys, how's your day going? Mine's pretty good. I got today's video I was supposed to upload. It's uploaded already, so that's good. It didn't take that long for me to edit. I didn't have any problems today. My yesterday one, it would be my Monday video that I uploaded yesterday, took until about 11:30 before that thing finally posted on YouTube. So I barely made it in my allotted daytime. But I'm sorry. That's why I keep the annotations on the sides up in the corner. So if you miss a day, just go back and look at the previous day. I'm doing it all February. And if you're in the middle of the thing, if you want to look ahead, just click the other one. But yeah, I appreciate everybody's support who has supported me on this and who's kind of enjoyed the show. I feel it's starting to come along. It's not really a show. It's just me ranting and raving on a camera and posting it on YouTube. But I feel we're having a connection. I feel like we're having a bond. And I feel it's kind of therapeutic, actually, just to just complain, bitch and complain about anything I want. And you guys gotta suffer by watching it. I'm just kidding. But it looks like the last bus is about to leave, so that means you're gonna let kids go. So I think I'm about to get out and grab my kid, and then drive across town to go pick her up, and then go to work. I wonder if I'll vlog when I'm at work today. I don't know. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. It may be a first. I'll talk to you later, guys. You gonna say bye? Say talk to you later. Trust me, he really does talk. Too much sometimes.